You need this for your baby. Click the link in the description to buy it after you watching the video. The gently weighted Zen sack echoes your reassuring touch on baby's chest, so your little one always feels comforted and secure, like in your embrace. Helps transition from any swaddle. Can be worn backwards by tummy sleepers who can roll independently. Zen Sack Classic is perfect for year-round comfort. Weighted center. Mimics your palm. Easy to use. The two-way zipper for easy diaper changes is sneakily silent and the shoulder straps adjust with 2 tabs to allow the Zen Sack to grow with your baby. Cozy, high-quality cotton. Made from 100% super soft cotton, the Zen Sack Classic is cozy, yet breathable, for year-round comfort and is durable enough to hold up to many washes. Tummy sleepers safe. Designed with tummy sleepers in mind, the Zen Sack can be worn forwards for back sleepers between 0 to 6 months or backwards for tummy sleepers who roll independently. Check out the sweet features. Wings. Wrap baby in a cozy embrace. Weighted center. Mimics your palm. Weighted sides. Mimics your arms. Small inner pouch. Keeps newborn's legs snug. Outer pouch. Allows room to grow. Swaddle in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Center weight middle of chest. Side weights, against body and underarms. Step 2. Pull left swaddle wing straight across and tuck it under baby's back. Step 3. Pull right swaddle wing straight across and fasten it to adhesive strip. All done. Enjoy your baby better sleep all around, in 1 to 3 nights. To buy this swaddle, click the link below in the description.